Welcome to Manda's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very healthy and delicious breakfast for keto diet, post VRK diet, low carb diet. We need 1 cup of chia seeds, 2 cups of water, the nuts of your choice. I am taking half cup of pecans, half cup of walnuts, and half cup of I also like to add blueberries, so I'm taking the frozen wild blueberries from Walmart, and some sweetener to taste, that is monk fruit, which is low calorie. I think I don't have any calories or anything. And then I'm taking the heavy cream. So this is all what we need to do the breakfast chia seed pudding. I want to say something about this monk fruit sweetener. Of all the sweeteners which I have tried so far, I think I like this one the best. So I don't mind eating little bit because it's not going to raise my sugar. So this is going to be a very good breakfast for the low carb diet, keto diet. If you're in VRK diet, post diet, you can have some dessert or breakfast which you can make using this. So now let's get started. It's going to be very easy. What I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take my 1 cup of chia seeds into this bowl. I'm going to add the chia seeds, and then I'm going to add the water, that is 2 cups of my water. I'm going to soak the chia seeds in that. Okay, now, and I'm going to add my 1 cup of the heavy cream into this. See, I have my heavy cream, so I'm going to add, I have just 1 cup of that left, so I'm going to add that. Now I'm going to throw all my nuts into it. I'm going to throw my almonds, half a cup, my walnuts. This is your optional, whatever nuts you like, you can add them. So I like almonds, walnuts, and they're permitted in keto diet and our low carb diet, so that is what I'm using it. And I love pecans, so I'm using. If you don't want pecans, you can just avoid it. Any nuts you don't want, you can avoid it. I think my bowl is too small, so I'm going to transfer the mixture into a bigger bowl. I did not realize it that it's going to be small, so now I'm going to transfer all my mixture into a bigger bowl. And now I have my blueberries, which I'm going to add it. I have taken it more than a little bit half. I like blueberries, so, and they're healthy, so I'm adding them. I'm going to add half a cup of more water to this because it seems to be more dense. So we need 1.5 cup of water. So instead of 2 cups of water, we need 2.5 cups of water. If I am wrong, it's 2.5 cup of water. I'm going to add the half cup of monk fruit sweetener. If you want, you can use more sweet into it. If it's up to your taste. If you like it to be more sweetener, you can add even 1 cup of monk fruit to it. So that's it. Now I am going to keep it aside. Now this is all it is. Now this is nicely done. Now what we have to do is, we have to place a lid on this and keep it aside for at least for 1 hour. And we can put it in the refrigerator, and then whenever you want, it's ready to serve and taste. Now it's been more than an hour, so I set it aside in the refrigerator. I just now took it out, and let us see how it looks. Look at it. See how it looks. It looks so delicious. So now I'm going to serve it in a bowl and show you. See, we have the nuts, we have the blueberries, we have everything. So I'm going to serve in a bowl, and I'm going to show you. And we can eat this as a breakfast. We can eat this as a dessert. So this is how it is. So now it is ready to eat. I have some pomegranate seeds. If you like, it's only optional, and I don't say that it is keto diet or anything, but if you like it, you can just sprinkle it on this, and look at how it looks. So we can eat with that too. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.